I'm just a boring banana. Nothing exciting ever happens to me. Just peel and eat, that's it.
Quick 3-step banana ice cream hack. Ready in 1 minute once frozen. No ice cream machine, just a blender. What you need: 1 to 2 ripe bananas. Spotty ones equals sweetest. Optional: splash of milk or any liquid, plus pinch of salt for extra creaminess. Steps: prep and freeze. Do this the night before. Peel bananas, slice into coins, freeze in a bag or container until solid for plus hours. Blend, the magic part. Throw frozen banana pieces into a blender or food processor. Blend on high. It starts crumbly, then turns into soft serve. If it's too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons milk and a tiny pinch of salt. Serve. Scoop immediately. It's thick and creamy like real ice cream. Eat right away or freeze 30 minutes for firmer scoops. Pro tips for perfect results. Use a powerful blender/food processor. Cheap ones may struggle. Add flavors: cocoa powder, chocolate, peanut butter, berries, vanilla, or cinnamon. 100% banana equals healthy and vegan. Tastes better than store-bought.